also known as a Fork It's at 147. And I want to get this little parcel open. So I may have ordered some more pens. I have ordered from this seller before, and this is Lassen Lathe Works, which is on Facebook and indeed on Etsy. But I did place an order for a few reasons. Oh, this is a little bit different than last time. I placed an order to treat a few people, maybe myself as well, but I did want to treat a few people. Oh, that's really nice. So that is like a diamond that I think is a magnet. It's a magnet. So that's a diamond, like epoxy diamond with shells and bits in. I like that. That's really nice. I'm going to put that, I've got, if you can hear the click click, I've got a pegboard behind me with some shelves on, and it's metal. So I'm going to put that there. This does have sort of address details on, both mine and the seller's. But yeah, it's Lassen Lathe Works on Etsy. And I've chosen to go for the pens without tips, but this is new. They come in a nice box now. Oh, very pretty. You see? Oh, very pretty. So let me just grab my tips. Now I have this lovely jar on the side. It does have things like lots and lots of pink wax and squidges, and I did order some straighteners, which came in minimum quantity of 100. So I will have a few of those for these pens. Then I've got placers that have come in things before, and then I have taken the tips out of some of the pink pens that you get in kits, that I still have multitudes of them floating about that I've not taken the tips out of yet. But the tips are there purely for going in the likes of these pens. So for now I've got a tip and a straightener, but let's have a look at the pens. So I did choose all the same style. This video, he's given us tips. Oh, I didn't expect that, because I did, as I say, ask for them without tips for this lot. I did also order one which is on its way to Australia to my mum, so I will post this video up once she lets me know she's got it, but she has no idea it's on its way. So let me show you the ones that I got. Gorgeous. So this is one that is going to my eldest. She's currently sat in the front room diamond painting, which is what's made me think I need to go and unbox that so I can give it to her. So this has actually got the tips that I would have put in for her as well, but look at that, it's gorgeous. She likes her green, but then it's also got some purple and some yellow in. Very nice. So I'll be giving her that shortly. This one is for my sister-in-law, who has just started diamond painting. She's just started diamond painting, so I want to treat her to a nice pen. So that one is in like a blue and a purple. Now, bear in mind, I don't know the names of these blanks. I didn't sort of go through the blank options on the website because I'm not very good at visualising it. So I did just message Daniel and say, okay, I want one that's purpley, I want one that's green. What blanks have you got? I also said I want one that's monochromatic for myself. Show me your blanks. And he sent me images of my blanks, and I went, I want that one, that one, and that one. And that was it. So for myself, I did choose a black and white one, just because I liked it. And I thought I've gone for the 3 bump shape to see what that's like to work with. I think I do have another 3 bump, yeah. So this pink one that is also from Daniel, this one is also a 3 bump. It looks different, I think, because it doesn't look as bumpy, but I think it varies according to the style of the drill. But this is still nice to work with. I work with this in my craft room. I think I'm going to take this one into the front room to use for a while, and I will be doing a compare of all the pens that I've got. But this is the company, just it's got a card in here, so might be easier for people if my accent, the way I say it, or just for spelling. So it's Lathe Works, turning square things round every day. I like that, because most of these blanks do come in a square or in a rectangle. So yeah, they're my 3 new pens. Thank you ever so much to Daniel. This gift box will actually work really well, because the one for my sister-in-law, I will pop in the gift box for her. Look at that. How pretty does that look? I actually really like that one myself. Okay, I may change who gets what. And I may provide her with a nice black and white one, but we'll see. And this one, say my daughter's in the front room, so I'll just give it to her in a mo. But yeah, I thought I'd show you the pens that I've picked up. Same sort of pricing from Daniel as last time. He is $15 per pen without tips. And then let me just change the tip over on that one, because I use these straighteners all the time. They are fantastic for squeezing out any little bubbles as well, and just nudging your diamonds in the right way. Yeah, $15 it works out per pen without tips. You can choose to add tips and then shipping and or customs on top of that, but I found his prices are very reasonable. I will be doing a review of pens and any that I have picked up, and the sort of costing that it works out for those that are in the UK wanting to buy from the States, because many sellers, you know, will say international shipping is extra, for example, and it's how much extra that works out. Anyway, that's a discussion for another time. These are my glorious new pens, though I am going to share the love this time. And yeah, I haven't got, well, I've got a picture of my mum's, but I don't have it in here with me. But it's the same shape that I've ordered, and Daniel's kindly shipped that straight to her. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my new pens. I think this is becoming my new addiction, maybe. We'll see. I have to stop at some point. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.